What is going on, party people? We have a 30 card order today. It is January 18th when I'm recording this, and I submitted this on January 5th. That's when PSA received it. Crazy fast speed. This is the January special, and I'm so glad I had an order ready to have this quickness. This is a fully basketball order, so my next couple orders are going to be mixed, but let's get into it. And we are immediately starting with a banger. Franz Wagner, second year Spectra Gold Auto. I absolutely hate PSA. Got a 7 on our first card. De'Aaron Fox Draft Hyper out of 75. That got a gem mint 10. My gold. It's really not. Tyrese Halliburton, red or white orange select shimmer rookie, mint 9. Paolo Banchero, blue prism out of select, gem mint 10 right there. Let's get on a roll. Tyrese Halliburton, blue explosion out of 59. This is a hoops card. Near mint 8. What? LeBron, Donruss Elite Purple. Mint 8. Near mint 8. Paolo, blue cracked ice out of select. Mint 9. Lauri Markkanen, cracked ice rookie out of 25. This is out of Black Friday. This is my dad's card. And it got a gem mint 10. That's a pretty big card right there. Halliburton, reactive orange. 4. What? There is 2. I missed it. There's 2 crescent dimples right there somehow.
Yeah, they had us the first half. I'm not going to lie. They had us. We weren't defeated, but they had us.
2019 Prism Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, NBA finalist silver. That got a gem mint 10. We got this TJ Watt Illusions Blacks Cracked Ice out of 50. That's a gem mint 10 right there. That's nice. Franz Wagner Classics out of 99. Got a mint 9. Paolo Venom Prism. Got a mint 9. Paolo Donruss Green Laser. Got a gem mint 10. That's pretty decent right there. There's a lot of cards left. Michael Porter Jr. Status Rookie Auto. Got a mint 9. That is my dad's card. Paolo Purple Montage out of 99. That got a gem mint 10. That's a good card right there. Virgil van Dijk Green Laser Donruss. That's out of 50. That is out of 50. That got a gem mint 10. That's not bad right there. Jamal Murray Rookie Cracked Ice out of 25. This is also my dad's card. That got a gem mint 10. My dad is really cooking right now. This and the Lowry gem mint 10. He's got to be excited. The 10s are finally outweighing the other stacks. Let's just please keep it up. Select blue courtside prism LeBron. That got a gem mint 10. That is a good card. We now have a Paolo Banchero Father's Day Gold jersey number mint 9. Not bad, but the grader is honestly, I don't like this grader, clearly. Cade Cunningham, orange Donruss Laser. That got a gem mint 10. This might be one of the first cards that I pulled and sent and got a 10. Cade. Franz Orange Flash Select. Gem Mint 10. Jokic Pink Sparkle. Gem Mint 10. That is out of 75. Hamzat Dunrust rated rookie out of 99. That got a Gem Mint 10. Anthony Edwards Select Red, White, Orange Shimmer. Gem Mint 10. Alrighty. We got this Frank Gore Gold Donruss Rookies and Stars out of 49. That got a Gem Mint 10. Nice. I did say this was all basketball, and there's already been 2 football cards, I think. They both got 10s. Tyrese Halliburton Mosaic Red Wave National Pride. You got a Gem Mint 10. We have 3 cards remaining. We have a Jalen Green Prism. Mint 9. That sucks. That obviously need to be a 10. This is one of the bigger cards as well. Devin Vassell Select Courtside Red out of 49. That got a Gem Mint 10. Nice hit right there. That is a good card right there. I'm very happy with that. Out of 49. Courtside, beautiful. I love red. Last card of the order. We got a Wes Welker. Donruss Rookies and Stars Longevity Sapphire. I just like this parallel. I sold the Randy Moss for $81.81. And it got a Gem Mint 10. That's out of 75. How much worse could we have done, though? This is almost funny. Somebody will buy this for no reason because they like... People buy low graded cards. I really wanted these 2 to be 10s. Alright, we got 4 8s or less. Crazy. 7 9s, 19 10s. So that'll bring us to a 63.3% gem rate, which is what we're used to typically. I think if I got like a semi different grader, I would have done way better. Like a couple of those 9s, I really wanted to be 10s. But you know, you live and you learn. I missed a couple things on a couple cards. I have yet to get a gold 10. But we did hit a couple nice rookie numbered 10s. My dad cleaned house. It wasn't a terrible order. It was a fun order. I have another 40 card order at PSA. I'm going to be sending 50 more cards to PSA. And then hopefully another around 40 card order. So hoping those get back to us soon. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.